Is Chlöe Swarbrick fit for purpose as a Member of Parliament? Should Swarbrick herself be the one that resigns? Do you ever get the impression that the leader of the Green Party, Chlöe Swarbrick MP, is forever pulling the wool over the public's eyes, trying to feather her own nest, and in essence, is only trying to push Darleen Tana out of the party so she can get another Rainbow Queerlist MP into the House to push Swarbrick's child grooming diversity agenda? The next Green MP on the list is Benjamin Doyle, a woke supporter of disabled queers. Listen to what Darleen Tana's lawyer Sharyn Greene has to say about Swarbrick's legal fuss.
You'll be aware that Ms Tana has an appeal pending to the Court of Appeal which has been accepted for filing, and that there is a separate process that needs to ensue meanwhile, and well, her obvious reaction is that she would prefer it if the Green Party would wait till the outcome of the appeal. Obviously, despite the reports that have come out lately, she was contesting that she was ousted from the Green Party by her own hand, that she was pushed, and that was the claim that was made before the High Court, that she was unlawfully pushed out of the Green Party. She was given no other options, and that it was a unilateral decision by the two party leaders, and that they did not follow their own constitution. And those are the grounds of the appeal before the Court of Appeal. So if you accept that that is an issue, whether she was pushed out of the Greens or whether she resigned, as has been reported, then I would have thought, as a lawyer, and Ms Tana obviously thinks, as the applicant in front of the Court of Appeal, that the Greens should wait until there has been a ruling definitively as to whether she resigned, as they claimed, or whether she was pushed. It's essentially going to be an issue still to go back in front of the Greens, but she would like her opportunity to talk to the Greens and have her representations as she sees it in front of all of the delegates. And she's never been given that opportunity. Like the delegates have not been presented with her side of the story because she was not invited to represent her side of the story to the delegates. It's always been that she met with Chlöe Swarbrick and Marama Davidson and the other caucus members, and that meeting did not go well, needless to say, and that was part of the factual dispute that was in front of the High Court. She's always maintained that she is a good member of the party and that she has still been performing as a member of the Greens, despite the fact that she's sitting in the House presently as an independent member. She's always been voting with the Greens. She's still been performing her function as a Greens member despite being ousted from the party. So she's still been performing all her duties within the Hauraki Gulf, for instance, and within Northland, which is the purview of her domain, if you like, as a Greens Party member, had she still been one. But if what she's hoping to achieve is to be admitted back into the party, and that has been always represented to the party on her behalf.
Thank you for listening. Geraint, on behalf of WhangāreiTim.